gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to the channel. My mic is somewhere in the suitcase. It's still Sunday, but this is a new video. All right, so we're gonna get into this unboxing. All right, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so we are unboxing the Sony. All right. ZV-1F. Now there are multiple ones, okay? So I got the one that's a little bit cheaper. All right, so this one was on sale for $4.99. I got it from Best Buy. You can order this off of Amazon. I will link it in my description box and list multiple ones that you can choose from, but it's all up to you, okay? You do not have to purchase the $900 or the $1,000 one if you don't want to. Now, the ZV-1F, I will say that the based on the reviews and other content creators that I do follow that does vlog style content, they have mentioned that the Sony is better as far as like quality and stuff, is better than the DJI. Now, mind you, a lot of the content creators were talking about getting the DJI and they got it, so I end up getting it. But then the past month, all I've been hearing is the ones who got the DJI said that they like their Sony better because of the quality. Now, the only disclaimer about the Sony 1F is that this one overheats. So if you get the get the ZV-10, or you can get the ZV Alpha something, and then I think it's ZV Alpha 2, ZV Alpha 3. So there are multiple ones, okay? So we're gonna do a comparison because my girl Madison was like, I'm starting to like my Sony better. And I was like, girl, me too, and I don't even have it. So, all right, so this is what comes in with the Sony. You got everything in here. Excuse me that it's not aesthetically pleasing, but girl, we just trying to get the video out. That's all for right now. All right. Ooh. So this right here, let's see. Oh, this is the little white furry ball for the noise protector. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And then you get your cord. Like, you see how close I gotta be in order for it to like zoom in. All right, so also within the box you get a battery. So you get a battery. All right, so I'm gonna have to order another battery, of course, because I like to have two on hand. And then you get, voila, the light camera. Ooh, this is going to be a cute little thumbnail. So you see how close I got to be in order for it to blur out the background? Hopefully this is not the case. All right. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, like this. All right. Boom. And then you just push the hair over a little bit. So I'm gonna straighten her little fur ball out. So that's the camera. All right, so now we're going to turn it on. And one of the things I like about it, for one, is white. Two, you can pull this out and I can also view it like this. So instead of having it like this, and if I want to look at it, I gotta go like that. No, I don't. I can just fold it back. Okay, that's one of the things I like about it. On button. Oh, it ain't. Oh, I'm pressing the buttons, but it ain't Duh, it's not charged. I gotta charge it, so we'll be right back once it charges. And my husband knows that I wanted to buy this because I was going to buy it. And because, oh, I don't have the battery in. No wonder. All right, so we're going to put the battery in. We're going to unlock. Boom. Oh, I got to put the SD card in there. Duh. All right. Put it in like that. So let me find my 4K. Oh, so you need the full adapter thing. I got one of those. Hold on. So I put a lot of my stuff in here. So boom. 128. Hopefully this one fits. If not, then I got to buy another one. But you need like these full adapters to go to it. So you stick the little card. So in the DJI, all I need is this. But for this one, I need the full adapter. All right, lock it. Now let's try. Maybe I need to charge it. Oh, no, here we go. It comes on. All right, so we're going to do English. It comes on, I understand. Set up. Okay. We're going to Bluetooth it. I got to do all this, you know. This. So you pull off the cap and this comes out. Now, I am going to purchase something off of Amazon, which is the little ring around here, which gives like that zoom in effect that I'm looking for. Like how I zoom in and it blurs everything out. Like when I take pictures, it'll be able to give me that effect much better. Now, the guy did say with this camera, this is good for vlogging, but when it comes down to like taking pictures, this is not so good. But the ring that I'm going to get, it's going to be good for pictures. I do have to get a flash because this one does not come with one. And I am also going to get a white case. So altogether, I'm going to end up spending like $560. But for right now, this was $530 just coming out of Best Buy. This touch screen, which is good. All right. So with this, ooh, oh my gosh, this is so much better. I can use the remote off my phone. I can do all kind of things. So I love this. Oh my gosh. See that? Hold on. Let me turn y'all that way. But yeah. I got to change the settings on it to make it a little better. But yeah, girlfriend. So stand by.